Hey guys, welcome to Foodpic's Kitchen. Today, I want to make a most delicious and simple hot pepper omelette in less than 5 minutes. If you have not subscribed Foodpic's channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss our next videos. And please write me your comment about this recipe as well. Your comments will make this channel more popular and motivate us to introduce more creative recipes. To start, we need 2 medium eggs. A pinch of salt, and a little black pepper. Then add a tablespoon of cream. And a little milk. Now mix them well. Finely chop 2 hot peppers. Pour a little vegetable oil in the pan, and wait for it to heat up. Pour the egg mixture into the pan, and after 30 seconds, add the ingredients in order. Black pepper, salt, chopped hot peppers, pickled jalapeno peppers, hot ketchup, red pepper flakes, red pepper powder, and a little mozzarella cheese. After 2 minutes, turn the omelette upside down. And after another 2 minutes, delicious hot pepper omelette is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss the next videos. I'll see you soon in the next video.